everyone. Welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to debug ChildBot from the main bot of Automation Anywhere. If you want to learn Automation Anywhere from the scratch, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Without further delay, let's check new feature alert in Automation Anywhere A360 version 33. In version 33, now we have a new feature called debugging a child task. So let's see how we can debug a child task in Automation Anywhere. Before going to Automation Anywhere workbench, what is exactly debugging? While running the automation, step by step to check for any mistakes, ensuring that automation behaves as expected, right? This we will call it as debugging in Automation Anywhere tool. Let's see now how we can debug child task as well as a main task at the same time in Automation Anywhere A360. I have created one calculator mainbot in Automation Anywhere A360 to understand debug feature step by step. So in this calculator mainbot, we have a three steps involved. One is we are getting the input from the user using prompt value, and we are having a calculate a plus b child task that is called in a sixth row, and we have another child task that is a minus b that is called in eighth row. And if you see the another window, right, I have already opened that window also to show you guys how exactly we have developed a minus b and a plus b task. So now how we can run the bot normally? We can run the bot normally using this run command. So basically if you run with this, bot will deploy in your system and it will start executing. Without any debug, it will start executing from the first line and it will complete till the end, right? So, but how the debug will work, let's see. So now when I'm running directly, we can give the value like this. 10 is my A value and 5 is my B value. Whenever I'm adding A plus B, if you see, now the task is under A plus B task, right? So A plus B is 15 and A minus B task, we will get a value as 5, right? This is a direct running of Automation Anywhere bot. But how we can run debug bot? So as we see, what is debug? Debug is a step-by-step execution and we can check what is exactly wrong or is it properly running or not as expected, right? How we can do that? Using this debug option. So let me click on the debug. So once you click on the debug, you will get one pop-up called assistant. In the assistant, all this magic will happen. So now we have a feature here, start debugging, and another feature we have step over to next action. Another two new feature we have, that is step into current action and step out from the current one. Let's see this new feature also in this particular video. Please don't skip the video. You will learn all the debug information step by step here. So now what is the first thing? So whenever you want to run a debug mode, right? So you have to click on this step over next action. Once you will click on the step over next action, bot will create in a debug mode. So once it is started, first it will halt in your first line of your code. So example, in our code, we have a first line calculator bot, right? You can see here in the calculator bot first line, it is highlighting the color, right? And as well as in the right hand side in the assistant, you can see which line exactly bot is executing currently, right? As well as we have a watching variable, because we have a two variable, one is str a, another one is str b, to get information from the user. If you see str a and str b, still it is a null value because still we have not went to get the information from the user, right? So now what next? So this is a feature to step into next action, right? So if you click on this, it will go to next action. So like this, you can execute step by step each data in your bot. So now example, you don't want to go step by step. you want to halt somewhere. Example, you want to halt in the sixth line, right? So whenever you want to halt your bot in the sixth line, you can add a breakpoint. If you hover your mouse to the line number and click on that, so when it will highlight in this color, right? So this is meaning is you want to halt your bot in the sixth line. So how it will work? Once you add a breakpoint, okay, let me add a breakpoint to 8 also, and I will click on the first option, continue to next breakpoint. As the description tells, right, it will continue till your next breakpoint. This is your breakpoint, right? So if I click on the first option, it will run and it will throw you a pop-up to enter a number. Let me add a number 10 and click OK, and it is not halting in the second, right? So it is directly continuing. So now I will give a 6 and click OK. So now your bot is processing till your sixth line. So now the new feature is how we can debug this particular child bot, which I have called under calculator main bot, right? My child bot is a plus b. It is already opened here. And also I have a minus b that is already in another window, right? So how we can continuously debug from main bot, right? So now we have a feature called step into. So you can see here, step into current action, right? If you click on this current action, now your bot will go to your child bot. All your control of running will go to child bot. Your bot will convert as a plus b child bot. You can see here now debugging a plus b. And also you can switch over whenever you need. If you click on this drop down, you can always switch over to main bot and you can come back to your a plus b child bot. This is a new feature we have in Automation Anywhere A360 new version. So now once I will come into the Taskbot, so let me go to the step over again. So if I click on the step over, it will debug your child bot, A plus B bot, right? So now you can click again and it will show you the result. 10 plus 6 is 16. If you close, then your control of the bot will go to your main bot. So now same way I have another child bot, right? So a minus b. Let me go to a minus b child bot and I will again click on this step into current action. Whenever I will click on the step into current action, it will go to the control a minus b task. Now you are debugging a minus b task from your main bot. Again here also you can switch over to main bot anytime and you can come back and you can see the value also. And now if you see, whenever you are switching over to main bot, you will see the watch variable of your main bot, right? String a is 10, string b is 6. So whenever you are coming back to a minus b, you will see the value of your child bot, right? So if you see here, a string a is 10, string b is 6. So this is what your child bot variable, and you can switch over like this also, a plus b and a minus b, right? So now if I click on the next over action, so it will go to message box, click next and it will show you the message. If I close this message, it will come back to your main bot, and if you click on the next one, it will show you the result completed. Like this, we can easily debug now child bot from the main bot itself in Automation Anywhere A360. I hope you got step-by-step instruction how we can debug child bot from the main bot. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any question or suggestion, please comment on this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. I have already created RPA related videos in my YouTube channel. Please go through all YouTube videos and get the knowledge. Happy learning. Go be great.